7 Surprising beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar. Welcome to our channel. Healthy, wealthy tips. Apple cider vinegar is a common household ingredient that also has numerous health and beauty benefits, ACV. This product has been in use for a very long time. ACV has been used as a treatment since 400 BC, when Hippocrates, the father of medicine, used it. For his patients' sake, ACV contains numerous vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. It also contains a lot of acetic, citric, and malic acid. It has been discovered to cure germs, viruses, reduce swelling, kill funguses, treat the common cold, reduce muscle pain, arthritis pain, help with diabetes, lower cholesterol, and control weight issues. Aside from all of these important health benefits, ACV has been included in many beauty regimens. To get the best results from ACV, only use the raw, unfiltered version. This is due to the fact that this type is not pasteurized and contains all of the original enzymes. Here are some of apple cider vinegar's beauty benefits. 1. Helps to prevent acne and pimples. Acne and pimples are a common annoyance in daily life. ACV, on the other hand, can help with this because it kills germs and cleans your pores. As a result, it aids in the prevention of acne and pimples. It also helps to balance the pH levels of your skin, which prevents breakouts. In a bowl, combine 1 part raw, unfiltered ACV and 2 parts filtered water. Apply a cotton ball soaked in this solution to the affected skin. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Reapply several times per day for a few days. 2. Functions as a skin toner. People with oily skin will benefit from ACV because it helps to keep their skin clean and their pores clear. It contains a high concentration of alpha hydroxy acid, which help your blood rise to your skin and shrink your pores. Combine 12 cup apple cider vinegar and distilled or filtered water. You can also add a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender oil, if desired. Using a cotton ball, apply this solution to your skin. Leave it on for a few minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Use this solution once or twice per day. Shake vigorously before each use. To make this skin toner, mix 1 part ACV to 2 parts water if your skin appears normal and not sensitive. If you have sensitive skin, add more water, 1 part ABC to 4 parts water, and apply this mixture less frequently. It is critical to test this mixture on a small patch of skin before using it. 3. Bid farewell to dandruff. Dandruff is a common, but embarrassing, problem that affects a large number of people. Because of the dry air, it is especially common in the winter. Dandruff is a medical condition in which the scalp produces dead skin flakes on the scalp and hair. This can also make you itchy and cause you to shed white skin flakes on your clothing. Fortunately, ACV can help with this because its ability to kill fungus and germs can combat dandruff. It will also help to restore your scalp's pH levels and clean your hair follicles. Combine 2 tablespoons ACV and 2 tablespoons water. Mix in 10 to 15 drops tea tree oil. Massage this solution into your scalp for 5 minutes. Turn it back on for another 5 minutes. Rinse your hair thoroughly with water before shampooing as usual. Use this natural treatment 2 or 3 times per week until your dandruff is gone. 4. Elimination of smelly feet. Foot odor is another common but embarrassing problem. It can be upsetting for both you and those around you. ACV, on the other hand, can help due to its antimicrobial properties. ACV can help you get rid of stinky germs and bacteria on your feet. To make a foot soap, combine 1 cup ACV and 4 to 5 cups warm water in a basin. Soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes in this solution. Finally, thoroughly wash your feet with antibacterial soap and water. Apply this home remedy once a day for a few weeks. 5. Enhances the shine and health of hair. ACV is very beneficial to your hair health because it helps to keep your hair clean, strong and blooming. It can remove any build-up from hair styling products left on your hair and scalp, as well as keep your scalp free of dead and dry skin. Make a hair rinse. Combine 14 cup ACV and 2 cups water. Apply this solution to your hair after shampooing. Massage it into your scalp and leave it for 5 minutes before rinsing. Use this home treatment no more than once a week. 6. Makes yellow nails shine. Yellow or stained nails can be an unsightly issue if you work with chemicals or dyes. However, stained nails can be caused by an infection, smoking, or a poor diet. Whatever the cause of the discolored nails, ACV can bring them back to life. ACV contains malic and acetic acids, both of which can help with discoloration. The ACV can also aid in the treatment and prevention of nail infections. Make a nail soap. Fill a basin with 12 cup ACV and lukewarm water. Soak your stained fingernails in this solution for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Massage a little olive oil into each nail bed. Repeat this treatment twice daily until your nails have stopped discoloring. 7. Helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Cellulite is a problem that almost everyone has and wants to get rid of. Apple cider vinegar, a little known fact, can help with this. Because ABC has the ability to cleanse and tone your skin, it can aid in the removal of cellulite. Cellulite is defined as fat cells that float just beneath the surface of your skin. ACV can also help reduce bloating and the appearance of cellulite by reducing the amount of toxins in your body and ridding it of excess water. As a result, ACV is an effective tool for weight loss and skin toning. Combine 1 part olive or coconut oil and 3 parts apple cider vinegar. Apply it to the affected skin and gently massage for 15 minutes. Do this twice a day. In a glass of water, combine 1 to 2 tablespoons raw, unsalted ACV and 1 teaspoon honey. Consume this mixture twice a day on a consistent basis. This will assist your body in combating any hormonal changes within your body, which is one of the primary causes of weight gain.